Hey guys, it's TEPCO Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be repairing a 8-inch drill press. This is from Harbor Freight. This is the Central machinery. I think it's a 5-speed. Let's see. Yeah, this is the 5-speed drill. The problem I'm having here is that I got the belt off to show you, but if you look at the motor, all right, when I turn it on, barely turns. Okay, I can stop it. I can stop it from turning. So it's not getting juice. So on the side of it, there's this plate right here. Okay, this mounts right on the side of these two screws. All right, I took that off and I checked. This is like a starter capacitor right here, and I felt that this was bad with it. There's a way to test these. I am no electrician. It's, you know, I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to test these things, but I don't have enough time on this thing for the motor to be burnt out or anything. I've had it for a long time, but I haven't used it a whole lot. I use it once in a while for little projects in here. So this is what I did. Okay, unplugging it from power. So basically I replaced it with another one. I couldn't find the exact same one. I went to a machine repair shop, a motor repair shop, and they gave me another one. And the one that they gave me is this one right here. All right, those are the ratings on it there. And basically you just take these off here. Now this is the ratings, and this is the one that's in here if you want to get the same one. All right, so let me pause it. I'm just going to swap these out. I've already taken the, these are the original connectors like this. I just pulled them right off. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on here, and I'll show you how the drill operates then. Stand by. All right, so I mounted this one on. It doesn't matter which way you mount these, just one wire to one to the other. These are extensions here. I'm going to mount this up solidly. I just want to show you that it works. I got to plug back into the wall. Here's the motor. There you go. That's how it's supposed to work. So it's a real easy fix. This thing cost me, I don't know, $12 for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the cap back on here, the cover to protect this stuff, and run these wires somewhere nice, and I'll just mount the box probably right next to it right there. It was an easy fix for me. This drill's been down. I need the drill because although I don't use it a whole lot for a lot of big jobs, I need it. So this is a cheap, you know, this is like $65 drill from Harbor Freight. And now that I fixed this, it'll probably go for a good another 5 years. So I just wanted to show you guys how to repair this and what to do. Make sure your power is off when you're messing with this stuff. Don't get shocked. Just simple two screws right here. Phillips heads, take it off. Even the newer ones are going to have the same kind of setup. So if that's what's happening, if you're turning your drill on and it's just barely turning or it's humming, go get one of these starter capacitors. I believe they're starter capacitors is what they're called. And throw that sucker on there and be good to go. All right, guys, hopefully this helped you out. Until next time, please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. This is TEPCO Cycle Repair.